God is holding in his hand the earth. And one day God had a son. His name was Jesus. Later, God's son became King of Kings and Lord of Lords. So now he's the King of all kings and Lord of all lords. Why? Because God the Father created and owned the earth, and he holds the earth in his hands, so to speak. So if God owns the earth and all things on it, and he holds the earth in his hands, well, that's why the kings use that symbol, because that's the earth dominated by the Roman Catholic religion. And of course, the kings of the earth, the church was always behind the kings, always advising them, because the king realized that Jesus owns the earth. So don't do anything as a king until you talk to the Holy Father, because that's how you got to have that divine right.